Yo, what is going on? It is Tuesday, December 16th, 2:46 p.m. Today I took 0 trades. Had 3 possible trade ideas, which I will get into, but ended up taking nothing. Also today, Project X was cooked. Topstep was down. It was down probably for like the first 15 minutes, and it came back up. Then it was laggy, and then it went down. Then it was up, and then I couldn't sign back in, and it was just not a good day to take a trade. And I heard that oh shit, I heard like that some people who were in a trade couldn't even exit the trade, even like in the moment, like when it was working, they entered trades and it didn't let them exit and shit all like that. So just best for me to stay out, I guess. I do need to talk about something else though after that, but let's get into today. So coming into the day, we can see right here is open. Sadly, we ran out these equal loads just before open. However, I was actually bullish today. We had sell side and London low right below. I wanted to see us either SMT with this PM high or with this buy side, which we did exactly. As we can see right here, we SMT'd with this buy side, which is exactly what I wanted to see. And once we SMT'd right there, we had a beautiful 1 minute. So we have this SMT right here. Bang, bang. And then we had this 1 minute. 100% of the time, I'm going to take this trade. This is my trade. Like, I want to take this trade. So coming in, so this would have been it. So yeah, we still have this sell side and we have this London low below. So I would have just taken it to this internal low because still that's 138 points. Honestly, I probably would have just could have just taken it to a 1 to 2 just to, nah, I know myself. Would have seeked out like right here. Yeah. So a little like 2.92. However, Topstep was down, so I couldn't even get an entry on this. And as you can see, would have gotten fucking obliterated. Actually, I think it would have been wait a second. Let me fact check something. I think it would have been break even. If my chart works, it would have been break even, I believe. So I went break. Yep, would have been break even because we would have SMT'd with the break even point on. Why doesn't it? Why? Thank you. Shit's acting up. But yeah, it would have been a break even trade. Once we SMT'd with this low, I would have went break even because we would have seen 23 points away from our entry already. Yeah. So I would have just ran break even. Then we just started fucking pouring down. We had no SMTs up here to even get a re-entry off of the resweep, which was still a possible selection. But guess what? Even if there was, I wouldn't have been able to get an entry because fucking Topstep was down. Fuck, my nigga, like Topstep was down. Okay, then coming down here, we had a 2 minute inversion, which would have just been a small 1-to-1. Let me get my chart correct so that we can get this right. Would have just been seeking this 5 minute. So this would have been the 5 minute that I would have been targeting. It would have been a mechanical model. So why didn't I take this 2 minute? Right here. Would have been a market order into that 5 minute body stop. Would have just ran it to get my 1-to-1. Why didn't I take this 2 minute? Ask me why I didn't take this 2 minute. If we take a look here, London low got perfectly equal load with ES perfectly equal load with London low. I usually don't give a fuck about ES equal highs and lows as much unless it is with a prominent draw such as this. If it's going to be with like a session high or low, I'm going to give a fuck about it. If it's just a random set of equal highs and lows, I'm only going to care about it on NQ opposed to London low. So I faded this and it would have played out beautifully. Perfect mechanical model. However, it would have been even more beautiful if we seen ES actually take London. If ES would have taken London, I'm entering this trade, and then my Project X was working decently fine, I guess, from here on out. And then after that, we had another possible setup right immediately after, so this 15 minute opened, and then I seen this 2 minute gap get created. So this was more discretionary because if we take a look here, technically this 3 minute, yes, it tagged into it, but I seen this 2 minute gap get created once the 15 minute open. I didn't want to pre-fire the 15 minute being open because a lot of times, I've seen it get fucked over in the last second. Granted, this is a fucking decently sized 15 minute. This is a pretty big sized 15 minute, but rather be safe than sorry. And discretionarily, I wanted to see this 2 minute get inverse with good displacement. This candle was looking super friggin' promising to do it, which would have been this. Body stop just to the sell side, call it a day, 1.46 RR. But as you can see, we did not get that whatsoever, and after that I just closed out the charts. So yeah, that was today. So I guess Project X being down I guess saved me from being a break even, just getting a break even today. Would have definitely loved to have entered. If Project X would have worked, this would have been a trade that I take on my funded. I was ready to take this 2 minute on my funded. But maybe today just was definitely best that I sit out. I'm running out of time to rebalance and re-get these accounts to where they need to be. And not seeing that is what I wanted to talk about. Unmotivating, demoralizing. But oh shit, I had the mic settings wrong. I'm sorry. So yeah, it's really annoying to see, and it's really unmotivating. But just gotta keep going, bro. It doesn't fucking matter. Just to keep it short and simple, opposed to just sitting here yapping about it. It genuinely doesn't fucking matter. I just gotta work for it. If not, I'll reset. I'll pay for the reset, bro. Like I just gotta do it. I need to just enter these trades. I need to just do it. I've seen a lot of discretionary forward test trades that I've taken play out, so I just need to start entering. I am doing better as far as entries go. Today, unfortunately, was just the software. I guess what is it? The prop firm itself was the fucking problem today. It wasn't me. And yeah, just not passing, not getting trades, failing trades on good setups is just really fucking demoralizing. And the effects are starting to take place, but I can't let them eat me. I have to eat them. That was really fucking corny. But yeah, just remain positive. Show up every day. Inverses have not been looking the cutest, the best, anything. But I show up every day and just, it's gonna work. Soon. 14 more days this month, like 10 more trading days. Maybe like 8, actually, realistically, because Christmas and New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. And yeah. It's really more motivating, but at least we get to get out of this year and go into the next one, which, that'll be a whole different year for me. I know it. But with that being said, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we are able to bang something out. Today we had the best type of news that we could ever ask for. Look at today. And yeah, so let's see what tomorrow is. Tomorrow we at least have a little bit of news, won't be too shabby. And then Thursday is CPI. If it gets down to it, I will be full porting these accounts. So yeah, let's get ready for tomorrow, man. Peace, love, positivity. Stay blessed.